Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. This is a 21 Durango Hellcat. And let me tell you, being a Ford guy, which all you know I am, Ford, please do something along this platform right here. This truck is so badass. We just did a handful of mods and made sick power. Hey, we're gonna watch a dyno video. We're gonna see how much power it made, which is well over 700 real horsepower. We're gonna check out the mods. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. Doug, let's go check this thing out. All right, before we go down and look at the engine compartment, I want to tell you just a quick story about I drive a Expedition 3.5 twin turbo, and damn it, I wish Ford would have something like that with an engine like this. This Durango's sick, all right? 6.2 liter. Doug, come down, take a look. Factory supercharged. Here's the mods we did to this. It's such a handful of mods to make really good power. We added the great JLT air induction system, a 287 supercharger pulley, a set of ID 1050 fuel injectors, stainless power long tube headers, and custom tune. Literally, that's it. This has third row seating, all right? So you can put a lot of people in it, you can get a lot of groceries, you can haul the kids around to school, but it makes well over 700 raw horsepower, and get this, 700 torque to the tires. I want something like this out of Ford. That's what I want. But you know, hey, we got electric lightning coming out, so that's cool. But can we please, Ford, do something like this? All right, that's my little complaint to the Ford guys up there. They know me. Check out this dyno pull. All right, 6.2 supercharged Hellcat. Check this out. DynoJet SAE 781 rear wheel horsepower at 6,300 RPM. Torque came in at 700, peaking at 4,800 RPM. And we are over 650, which is this right here, at 2,500 RPM. Now, of course, this is all-wheel drive, so we had the front drive shaft out. But check it out. I love this SUV. I really want Ford to do something like this. I could see myself driving this thing. It's super comfortable inside. This is one badass truck right here. I'm gonna fire it up, let you check out the engine compartment. Doug, walk up there. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. Leave a comment. When you have something like this, you want it built, you want that way over 700 real horsepower, 700 torque, you email quote@brentspeed.com. Thanks for watching.